Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get this in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And now we have here... Whoa. WE.LOCK. Smart way to open your door. WE.LOCK. Alright? So it's a smart lock. Alright, let's take a look inside, guys. So now let's see, what does this look like? Do an install and all that good stuff coming up. So grab some popcorn. Might be a little long video today, but definitely worth it. So always be ready. Clean up the mess for a second. Got the Amazon. Oh boy. Here we go. This should be easy peasy. So WE.LOCK. WE.LOCK. Got some goodies in here. Oh boy, we got the lock right there. Plate. Looks like a guitar pick. Screws. Okay. Here is WE.LOCK. Got the keys. Just in case. There's the lock. Alright. So I just gotta figure out. There's a keyhole. Looks like a USB you could put in to charge. Just in case you lose power. Easy, put in the key. Turn. Twist. Install smart app. I do believe they got an app. Everybody got apps. Except for me. I need to get an app. Got some measuring utensils. Measure out your hole. We got a big old instruction guide. Right on, right on. Scan the QR code to view a video of passcode settings. So you can set the password. It shows you how to do it. Oh boy. This one should be fun. So we got some good stuff here. Accessory wrist, lock core sleeve, goosette, stickers, keys, 2 of them, fixing screw, Allen key, battery installation assistance tool. Got to install a battery, cool. And it shows how to drill it and how to install it. Product information, front handle, return key, weight key, panel. So this is gonna be the weight key. Gonna hit this one. Return key. This is the panel. Front handle right here. So front. Open from here. We already showed you where the USB charging port is. The hexagon socket screws. Please open the battery cover carefully. You better use the tool. Okay. So right here, you just pop it out with the tool. You guys can See that groove right there. Lock body, panel, back handle. Please open your battery cover. We already discussed that. Alright, we're going to do the install coming up. So sit back and enjoy the ride, guys. Alright, guys, here we go again. We got the install part going. Take that piece right there, shove it in, line it up, take the screws, screw one, screw it in. Nice and easy. Screw number two, zap it in. Now take the handle, put it in the hole, bada boom. Hold it gently for a second, twist the overside, take the other part, line it up, put it into that piece right there, gently. There we go. Slam it in there, twist, bada boom. And pull those out. I'm just checking my timer left. And then put that screw in, put that screw in, and line it up with the hole. Force it through there. There we go. Easy as pie, guys. Next we'll be coming to setting the passwords. Be right back. Alright, guys, here we go. Setting the password coming up. There's a modification code. That's how you enter it. There you go. And enter your new password. Don't worry, I'll change it back to a different password. Nobody will know. I like how the indigo blue, really nice. Great keys, really soft. There you go. New password right there. Boom.